Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for meaningful anniversary gifts with a personal touch, this video is for you. Today, we're sharing 20 handmade anniversary gift ideas that are creative, thoughtful, and perfect for showing love and appreciation without needing expensive presents. Let's get started. Number 1. Handmade scrapbook. Fill it with photos, notes, and special memories from your journey together. Number 2. Personalized memory jar. Write small love notes and happy memories on colorful paper pieces. Number 3. DIY photo frame. Create a custom photo frame using wood, paper flowers, or decorations. Number 4. Handmade candle set. Beautiful scented candles make romantic and cozy gifts. Number 5. Customized love letter box. A collection of heartfelt handwritten letters for different moments. Number 6. DIY coupon book. Create fun coupons for dinner dates, relaxing evenings, or surprise treats. Number 7. Handmade wall art. Paint or design a meaningful quote or anniversary date artwork. Number 8. Knitted blanket or scarf. A cozy handmade gift filled with warmth and effort. Number 9. Personalized mug design. Decorate mugs with meaningful drawings or messages. Number 10. DIY memory album. A creative album filled with photos, stickers, and anniversary memories. Number 11. Handmade keychain. Simple but meaningful with initials, dates, or small charms. Number 12. Customized plant pot. Paint and decorate flower pots with romantic designs or names. Number 13. DIY gift basket. Fill a basket with favorite snacks, candles, photos, and handmade notes. Number 14. Handmade jewelry box. A creative storage box decorated with personal touches. Number 15. Photo collage board. Combine favorite pictures into a stylish wall display. Number 16. Handmade pillow covers. Personalized cushions with painted or printed anniversary messages. Number 17. DIY decorative candles holder. Elegant handmade decor for romantic evenings at home. Number 18. Personalized recipe book. Collect favorite homemade recipes and special family meals. Number 19. Handmade bookmark set. Perfect for book lovers who enjoy thoughtful handmade presents. And finally, number 20. Surprise handmade dinner setup. Decorate the dining area with candles, flowers, and handmade decorations for a romantic anniversary evening. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gift ideas and inspiration. Thanks for watching.